Hey guys, I gotta be quiet 'cause it's late at night and I can't sleep. Look at this nightmare of a workbench. Hey man, for some of you newer hams that stumble across this, that have never made a QSO yet, or for those of you interested in amateur radio, and notice I did not pronounce it amateur. It's amateur radio, and a friend of mine wants to give you a demo. Okay? Hang on, man.
Hello, CQ. Hello, CQ. This is W9WZE Chicago, W9WZE Chicago, calling CQ for any 20-meter phone and standing by. Go ahead, please.
Hello, W9WZE Chicago. Hello, W9WZE Chicago. This is W6QD, Los Angeles, California. W6QD, Los Angeles, calling W9WZE Chicago. Go ahead, Bill.
Hello, W6QD, Los Angeles, California. This is W9WZE Chicago coming back. Good evening, Herb. Your signals are coming in fine tonight. R5S9. By the way, Herb, what are you doing on 20-meter phone? I thought you always worked CW.